First things first, ladies. Probably the first thing and greatest tip I have is to learn patience. Most of us do not even have the slightest idea of how much patience is required when it comes to dieting. Most of us fall into a program hoping all will go well if I follow this program/diet for the next week. Well, this is exactly why I am putting this list of tips together for you to see what exactly is required when starting a new weight loss program. Meditations start with learning to meditate. In meditation, there is an absolute essence of patience, and this will also learn you to be comfortable with your body. It will also decrease those stress levels that have been proven to help you peel on the pounds. Meditation will teach you durability and the needed endurance to complete the weight loss program and not stop when you have reached a certain stage. Lift heavy weights. Now you might feel that you don't want to lift heavy weights because you do not want to build muscle. The truth of the matter is that when we lift heavy weights, our diet mainly regulates if we will build bulky muscles or tone our flabby bits, so please understand this correctly. Lift heavy weights only if you are following a strict eating plan. Remember to do the workout in such a way that you get a proper cardio effect from the weight training as well. A proper heavy weight training exercise would be one where you do a proper circuit and move quickly between exercises so you don't have any extended periods of rest. This will increase the cardio effect and minimize bulking. So what are we talking about here? Basically circuit weight training with big body movements. This will include exercises such as squats, lunges, chest presses, pull-ups, shoulder presses and other affiliated exercises that will get a large amount of muscles active and really ramp up your metabolism. This will ensure fat loss without bulking. What makes this weight loss for women tip so attractive is that if you are not yet comfortable with your body, as most women that feel overweight are, you might feel to do these exercises in the comfort of your own home. Recheck your diet. A healthy diet is not the same as a fat loss diet. You might be eating health foods such as grains, nuts, etc. Although they are high in fiber and packed with vitamins, they also have high sugar content. A better alternative would be to replace the grain in your diet with fruits and veg. Try to steer clear of high GI fruits such as watermelon, pineapple and banana, to name a few. Also, have a look at our Cinderella Solution female weight loss program to help you on your way to a healthier and better feeling self. Link is given below in the description, please check it.